So you're a DJ and you want to become the rock star of your club? Then you're at the right channel. Here I'm going to share with you all my tips to make sure that you will become that rock star. So hold on to your headphones and let's go! Okay, check out this scenario. Let's say you're DJing at a club, right? And everything is going great. Lights, smoke, all the girls are coming at you. You're a king of the club, man. Hey, ho. And all these girls coming at you at the booth. Hey, DJ, can you play this song? Of course I'm going to play that song. That's the hit of the week. Another girl comes to you with the phone. You're looking at the phone. Of course, yeah, I'm going to play that song. Being all cocky, your head is this big, that's how confident you are. You think, yeah, I'm going to be the king of the night. This is going to jumpstart my career, man. Everything is going great. And then prime time hits. You're going through the playlist, looking for the song. You find a song, you press the button. Error. No. You're going back. Playlist, out of the playlist, back into the playlist. You find the song again. You press the button. Error again. No! If it happened to you once, leave your story at the comments. I'm eager to read it. And that's why my 10th commandment is always prepare a plan B. That's why I never leave home with just one USB stick with record box on it. I always have a second USB stick with the MP3 files on them, or the same MP3 files on the stick with record box. Or even better, have an SD card. Then you have a USB stick, another USB stick and an SD card. And even better, bring a CD. Just a regular CD with some of your tracks, because there's another scenario that's coming up. Okay, second scenario. Let's say you're going to a club and you're starting at, let's say, 1 o'clock. You're going to the club, the other DJ's playing, and you're taking your USB stick, you're putting it in the second CDJ, and then nothing happens. And then the DJ looks at you and says, yeah, that one is broken. We only have one USB slot. Then what do you mean? Yeah, we just have one USB slot. So how can we switch? That's your problem. I'm leaving in 1 minute. So what some DJs do, they just leave and then they order their driver to just rip out the USB stick. And whatever happens, who cares, because the DJ is already gone. So let's say you are the DJ in the booth while the driver is ripping out the USB stick. Suddenly there's no sound and everybody is looking at the DJ booth. And you are standing there. It's not your fault, you didn't do anything, you just came in 1 minute ago. But nobody cares. You are standing there and everybody is booing you. What are you doing? So that's why I say bring a CD. You can just leave it in the car because chances are that you won't need it. But it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. You can just pop your CD in the CDJs. The DJ can rip out his USB stick. You can pop in your USB stick and then everything is cool. Okay, third scenario. Let's say you're a resident DJ at a club. On Saturdays, it's your night, and on Fridays, you rent out the club to other parties, right? So let's say it's Saturday, it's 9:30, club opens at 10, you're going to the club, you arrive at the club, 9:45, you're going to the booth, the decks are missing. Hey yo, John, what happened to the decks? Oh yeah, we forgot to mention, they're being serviced. It happens. Or you arrive at the club, they're broken. Yo, John, what happened to the decks? We had a party last night. I think the DJ broke them. Now what? All the other commandments are no use if you cannot even DJ. That's why I say, if you have CDJs, bring them. Buy a flight case, leave them in the car. Chances are you won't need them, but it's better to have them and not need them than to need them and not have them. You could be that guy that says, well, that's not my responsibility, it's the club's responsibility, I will just send them an invoice nonetheless. But it probably will be your last night at the club then. Just be cool, man. There are always 20 other DJs waiting for you to mess up. to take your place. So just be cool, bring your own CD players and do your job. And yes, there are other scenarios we can think of, but I don't have time to talk about all of them. If you can relate to one of these scenarios or have another story you want to tell, please leave them at the comments and I will be happy to read them. So that's it, the 10th commandment. If you want to see the other 9 commandments, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!